The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? On this Wednesday morning, it is the 5th day of July, and under the stars this morning, it's a very warm and humid morning. I hope you had a great 4th of July. Of course, I slept through the fireworks because that's during my sleeping hours, because I get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to do this. But I did wake up a little after 9 and heard all the city fireworks going off at Blunt Cultural Park, not too far from right here. So more heat and humidity today. We're talking about triple-digit heat indices again, but we'll talk about the return of showers and thunderstorms to the forecast as we get closer to the weekend. And your odds of getting wet, we'll look at the weekend forecast and talk about how the temperatures will ease down a little bit. I've got the latest on the beaches. Also, we'll look out in the tropics. Invest 94L. Will that eventually be an issue for the southeastern U.S.? Here we go with your Wednesday morning weather briefing. Couple of showers on the map, North Alabama, North Georgia, north of Mississippi, but the rest of the area is dry this morning. I see some showers around Memphis and Tulsa with that frontal system. Here's what's happening in the upper atmosphere up at 20,000 feet. That hot ridge over us remains in place at least for a couple of more days. Big heat out west. Today, high temperatures will be easily in the mid-90s, triple-digit heat indices again, and I think we'll be, close to the mid-90s again tomorrow, but scattered showers and storms today will be scarce. Not a zero chance, but I would say probably 10%, 10 to 20%. You're splitting hairs when you talk about stuff like this. Otherwise, we'll call today mostly sunny. High temperature easily around 94. Heat index easily 100 to 105. Low tonight 73. Southwest winds 4 to 8 miles per hour. Not much change tomorrow. I think the rain chances are just a tad higher. Spotty afternoon and evening storms. 20 to probably closer to 30%. And then on Friday, we're back to about a 40% chance coverage across much of the area as a trough of low pressure develops. And again, showers and thunderstorms from time to time Saturday. It's not a washout, but the rain chances are higher over the weekend, and including Sunday. And not just here, but down on the Gulf Coast beaches as well. And that continues on Monday. Not much change in the overall pattern. Again, rain chances in the 40 to 50% range. So we'll try to assign some numbers. Again, you're splitting hairs here. Tomorrow, 20 to 30%, and then Friday and Saturday, 40%, and then we'll ease it up just a tad higher, perhaps, on Sunday and Monday. That'll take the temperatures down, by the way. We'll go back down to around 90. The beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City, again, we're going to ease the rain chances up just a tad. 20% tomorrow, 30% Friday, and 40% Saturday, and then a little higher on Sunday, I think, with Gulf water temperature now at 83 at the buoy south of Orange Beach. Invest 94L is way out in the tropical Atlantic. It is in a favorable environment for another day or two with an 80% chance of development. Could become a tropical depression or a tropical storm. And then it gets into a less favorable environment. Could it eventually affect the southeastern U.S.? Some of the models say maybe 8 or 9 or 10 days out. It could, so we'll watch it. Here's the European out 10 days. Very interesting. You see the hottest temperature is today. You see the blue bars at the bottom showing showers returning late week and into the weekend and all through next week. And with more clouds and showers, the temperatures won't be as hot. So it's got mid-90s today and tomorrow. I think that's very plausible. And then it eases the temperatures down. Look at next week. Highs only in the 80s because of clouds and showers. And again, a very disturbed period of weather. Now, the blended models show high temperature around 94 today, and then low to mid-90s tomorrow, and then it eases it down with more clouds and showers over the next few days. Our weather app will keep you on top of radar, future radar, hourly forecast, plus the latest on the tropics as well. I've got my blog and my videos also available on there. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather if you don't already have it, and that's for your phone and your tablet. So some of you are still off, and some of you are about to begin your vacation. That's great. It's a regular work day for me. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. And I hope you join me. And there'll be another video for you tomorrow morning at 4:45. And, of course, as needed, whenever there's a post, it automatically goes on your weather app, which I hope you have, and also on Facebook and on Twitter as well. So stay hydrated today. It's going to be a hot one. And don't forget the sunscreen. And I'll see you in the morning, okay? Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.